Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change Yahoo Mail back to classic view. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you opened Yahoo Mail and noticed the new layout. Maybe it feels a bit different, or you just prefer the old classic look. Well, good news, you can switch back to the classic Yahoo Mail view in just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Alright, first open Yahoo Mail and log into your account. Now take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see a three-dot icon right there. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Settings. This will take you to the Yahoo Mail settings page. Now, on the left side of this page, you'll find an option that says Switch to Old Yahoo Mail. This is exactly what we need. Click on that, and in just a second, your Yahoo Mail will switch back to the classic view. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. If you ever want to return to the new version, Yahoo allows you to switch back anytime. On the top right-hand corner, you will see an option Try the new Yahoo Mail. Click on it to switch back to the new layout. But if you're someone who prefers a simpler, faster, and cleaner layout, the classic view is definitely the way to go. Also, sometimes Yahoo might automatically switch you back to the new version, especially when they roll out updates. If that happens, just follow these same steps to switch back to basic mail again. And if you don't see the option, try clearing your browser cache or using a different web browser. It should appear again. So there you go. Now you have your classic Yahoo Mail look back. So that's basically how you can change Yahoo Mail back to classic view. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.